When the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it's summer there. 6 months later, tilted away, it's winter. Because of the tilt, we don't get the same heat all year. And that changing energy shapes our entire world. Different fruits and crops in different seasons. Endless colors through the year. Monsoon cycles that refresh rivers with drinking water. The moon's gravity also stirs the oceans, creating tides that move nutrients across the seas. Without tides, nutrients would stay trapped in a few places, and marine life would struggle. But tides only matter if Earth has water. So where did the water come from? For scientists, that was the greatest mystery of all. In January 2005, NASA launched Deep Impact, sending it 270 million kilometers to a comet called Tempel 1. Up front, the probe carried a 350-kilogram copper impactor, designed to slam into the comet. On July 4, 2005, the impactor struck Tempel 1 at about 38,000 kilometers per hour, blasting open a gigantic crater. Deep Impact's instruments recorded the flash, and spectroscopy revealed something astonishing. Inside Tempel 1 was water ice. That proved comets far from the sun, out in the asteroid belt and beyond, carry water. But how did so many comets reach Earth? Experts point to our solar system's giant, Jupiter. Jupiter's gravity is immense, far stronger than Earth's, and it orbits near the asteroid belt. As small bodies circled the sun in neat circular paths, Jupiter tugged on them. Its pull stretched their orbits into ellipses. Some of those new paths crossed Earth's, and gravity did the rest. Geologists believe Earth did not start with water. Instead, water arrived roughly 500 million years after Earth formed, delivered by countless icy bodies. How do we know? Because of a mineral called zircon. It forms in rock only when water is present. Zircon crystals also contain tiny amounts of uranium, which act like clocks through radioactive decay. The oldest zircons found on Earth date to 4 billion years ago, about 500 million years after Earth's birth. That timing suggests water arrived later, carried in from space, from a molecular cloud to a newborn sun, from the Theia collision and a tilted Earth, to the moon raising tides, and Jupiter steering icy messengers toward our world. All of it nudged Earth toward habitability. By now, the planet had cooled to around 100 degrees Celsius at the surface, closer to calm. But one essential ingredient of life was still missing: oxygen. So tell me, how did oxygen fill Earth's atmosphere? Drop your answer in the comments.